Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to review COSFLY air conditioner covers. COSFLY air conditioner covers priced at $29.99 offers a high quality and reliable solutions for protecting your outdoor AC unit from the elements. Made from 600T polyester Oxford fabric with a waterproof undercoating, this cover is durable, water resistant, and designed to withstand harsh conditions such as rain, snow, dirt, sun exposure, and hail. It is deeper than many standard covers, making it suitable for most modern square AC units while providing full coverage and protection. One of the standout features of the COSFLY AC cover is a thoughtful design for convenience and security. A side slit allowing wiring and tubing to pass through, while a heavy-duty click-close buckle keeps the cover securely fastened. To reinforce padded hands, make removal simple, and adjustable drawstring hems ensure a snug, wind-resistant fit even on the windiest days. Structured air vents prevent moisture buildup inside the unit, reducing the risk of rust and extending the life of your AC by up to 20%. Customers on Amazon rate this cover, praising its perfect fit and robust construction. Many users highlight how durable it is, withstanding an entire winter without damage, and note that it's much more effective than using a standard tarp. The cover's elegant appearance adds a polished look to outdoor spaces, making it a practical yet stylish choice. Users also appreciate the ease of putting it on and removing it, along with its reliable protection against weather extremes. Overall, the COSFLY air conditioner cover combines durability, functionality, and aesthetic appeal in one practical product. It's an excellent investment for anyone looking to protect their AC unit year-round while maintaining a neat and attractive outdoor space. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Hope you guys value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe. Goodbye.